We back in the kitchen cooking some baked, juicy chicken legs. Start off with some clean chicken and add you some olive oil. Try to cover that up with olive oil along with some garlic powder. Make sure you got the oven preheating at 375 degrees. Gonna hit it with some onion powder and also some black pepper. But to me, the star of the show is that Old Bay seasoning. Gotta have that Old Bay. Just give it a little extra kick, if you know what I'm saying. Get that all covered and get that all incorporated. Need a little bit more Old Bay. Just a little bit more. Mix that all in. Got a pan lined up with some foil. Add a little bit of butter all over it. Just make it a little better. 25 minutes in. Take that out and flip them over. Just turn them over. Look at that. Looking good already. And it's 25 minutes in. Put that back in the oven for an additional 30 minutes. Juicy chicken legs. Quick 1 hour meal. Can't go wrong. Subscribe if you like what you see. Subscribe.